Heat tracing is a valuable method for maintaining the temperature of pipes, tanks, and other equipment, crucial for preventing freezing, maintaining process temperatures, and supporting various temperature-related applications. Let's delve into the types of heat tracing systems. Electric heat tracing utilizes heating elements that efficiently convert electrical energy into heat. Steam heat tracing leverages steam to heat the fluid flowing through the trace component. Fluid heat tracing employs a heated fluid, such as hot water or glycol, to transfer heat to the trace component. Understanding the key components of a heat tracing system is essential. These include the heat tracing cable or element, serving as the primary heat generator. Insulation plays a crucial role in retaining heat and preventing dissipation into the environment. A control system monitors and adjusts heat output to maintain the desired temperature. Accessories may encompass temperature sensors, junction boxes, and mounting hardware. Heat tracing finds application in various scenarios. Preventing frost formation on outdoor pipes is a common use. It is also used to maintain fluid temperatures in process piping, protecting tanks from freezing, and preventing condensation in ventilation systems. When designing a heat tracing system, several factors must be considered. These include the target temperature, or the desired temperature to be maintained. The environment, including ambient temperature, wind conditions, and the potential for freezing, is also a key factor. Pipe size and material influence heat loss rates. Insulation thickness impacts heat retention and energy efficiency. Ensure the heat source, whether electricity, steam, or fluid, is reliably available. Installation involves several steps. 1. Prepare the pipe surface by cleaning and applying thermal paste if required. 2. Install the heat tracing cable or element along the pipe. 3. Apply insulation to cover the cable and retain heat. 4. Install the control system and connect temperature sensors. 5. Test and calibrate the system to ensure proper operation. When troubleshooting heat tracing systems, consider these tips. Check the power supply to the control system. Ensure temperature sensors are properly connected and functioning. Inspect the heat tracing cable or element for any damage or breaks. Verify insulation integrity and repair any tears or gaps. Consult the manufacturer's documentation or qualified technician for specific troubleshooting guidance.